Guys, good morning. So it's currently 9:56 a.m. so I'm going to attempt to do vlogmas this year every day. Hopefully I can make it. I want to make it. I believe I can, and I would. Anyways, I'm going to do that. I'm going to try to upload a video every day for vlogmas days. Please let me know what type of videos you guys would want to see on my channel for these vlogmas. I'm planning on doing mostly vlogs, so if you have any specific video you would like to see from me and I can film it or bring it to you guys, then I'll definitely try my best to do that. Yeah, so today is Sunday. I'm going to be deep cleaning my house because it's a new month. I like to deep clean before every month, just so throughout the month, in case I'm busy, the house is still clean. My house right now is literally upside down. You know when they say your house is upside down, my house is upside down. So I want to start cleaning. I have some package boxes that came. I have to throw them out. I want to rearrange my living room. I want to do a couple of things. So I decided, you know what, let me just make a vlog where I deep clean my house for you guys. And also I will show you guys the new furniture I have gotten in my house.
In a place of broken relationship, in a place of broken body, in a place of confusion. You could be standing with some of that or all of that as easy as imagining in your mind.
Could you do that with finances for me? Would you show me how you start with a...
Virtual reality is saying, since I'm thinking about finances and feeling bad, rather than taking the subject of finance, a place where you allow what you're wanting to come to you.
Breath of air. Every time a new desire is born within you, it's new life. Rhythm of it. When you doubt it, you are hurt by the clamoring of the resistance that happened when you stuck your stick in the sand. Negative emotion is not a good thing, so don't ever have any step one moments. Ways to feel as good as you can possibly feel. There's much stuff that blisses you out. There's much stuff that you enjoy. In other words,
moment with that, know that that's my point of attraction as well as theirs. Maybe they're aware.
Anywhere and still be inspired to the perfect thing in this moment. That's cool. Alignment steady, and therefore your own influence steady. So these things that sometimes humans want to call coincidence, meaning it is a coincidence, it's a cooperative incident. You feel good about it when you want something that you absolutely instant, and then you develop your own patterns of freak you out. You are human. You are all manifest. Take it there.
Yes.
So not only are you ready to be ready, but you feel like you already have the idea, can't see or hear or smell or taste or touch. You've got to find some.
Hi guys, I'm pretty much done with the living room area, and I'm also done with my bedroom and my closet. This is what it looks like right now. My closet's over there. I have a bunch of things in my closet actually. I got this dresser thingy from IKEA and I love it. You know when you buy something and you make good use of it and it's serving the purpose of why you bought it? That's the IKEA. That's it. That's it. So now what I'm going to do is I have a bunch of bin to throw out, and then I'm going to sweep and mop. That's what's left for me. So I have this ball that I've had for over a year now and I rarely use it, and it just occupies space. I think I'm going to throw it out because honestly there's no purpose for it in my house. I've been decluttering a lot and I try to let go of things I rarely use or things I've not touched in 3 months, and that's how I was able to declutter my house a lot. So I think I'm going to throw it out because it really serves no purpose. Literally it serves no purpose in my house. It just occupies space. So I'm going to throw that out, and then I have a couple of bins to throw out, and after that I'm going to be pretty much done. I'm going to mop the floors and I'll be done. I'll be done. I'm so excited. The sun is currently setting and it's beautiful. Let me see if I can show you guys what it looks like right. Oh, so beautiful, guys. I'm such a huge fan of sunsets. Like, so I'm pretty much done cleaning the living room area and this workspace, like I would call it. So for the workspace, this is what it's looking like right now. So I have my mirror here, right? But no, I want you to be unnotable. So I have my mirror here, right? But I want to change it to a black mirror that would fill up that space. So it's just going to be there. And then I want to change my table because it doesn't match the interior anymore. And now I have this frame, this shelf here that I'm still trying to decorate. And I'm probably going to add a rug and see what else I can add. Maybe a vase and some flowers. And that's pretty much it for this space. Yeah, so that's it for the workspace. I still have a couple of things to change. I initially was going, I feel like I've mentioned this in one of my previous vlogs, but I initially was going for a gray beige brown, gray beige wood color-ish type of vibe. But at a point I was just like, nah. And gold, like the beige gold wood color was just not matching for me. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to change it. I'm going to go into beige and black and white, those three colors. And then I'm going to change my couch color to match with the work chair, and it's just going to look better like with black and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I got my center table, of course. And now I'm going to show you guys what my sitting room area looks like. This is what it's looking like right now. I have my frames there. I'm going to print out the art tomorrow, and then I'm going to hang two of them here. You guys are going to see. And I feel like changing this. I don't like them. They're not cute. They don't match the vibe. I didn't think they were going to look like this. And I'm also going to redecorate the table. I'm just working with what I have right now. This is what I have right now. This is what I'm working with. The sunset is so gorgeous. Like, can you guys see? Oh, you cannot see it through here. It's just there. Like, when I look at it, I feel so nice. Anyway, so yeah, I'm pretty much working with this. Oh, and I got a rug as well. I got my rug from IKEA. It was the perfect rug I was looking for. So yeah, my couch is from IKEA, my rug is from IKEA. What else is from IKEA? My room dresser. That's pretty much it right now. I'm just going to, you know, finish cooking and shower and have dinner. Okay. Hi guys. So what happened? I had lunch, took a shower and slept for a bit, and now I'm just sitting here thinking of editing this vlog. So this is going to be my Vlogmas day 1. Today is Sunday and Adekunle is in Istanbul. Adekunle Gold. Why did I say Adekunle like I know him personally? I don't know him. Anyways, Adekunle Gold is in Istanbul, and I'm still thinking, do I want to go? Do I want to go and see the whole crowd and all of that? But at the same time, I love Adekunle Gold songs. So I'm still trying to make a decision. My friends want to go. I'm probably going to go or not. I'm very confused. I might choose to go the last minute. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched to this end, let me know what vlogs you guys would like to see in this Vlogmas, and I'll try my best to bring them for you guys. Do you guys like my headscarf? Anyways, yeah, I've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.